Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Mariah Davida here, and for today's tutorial I have a nice fiery red look with a nice light lid. We're gonna jump right into the tutorial. I am applying the P. Louise eyeshadow base in the shade Broomer, and I'm going to pat that all over my lid. The first color that we're gonna go into is called Anarchy, and this is from Star Crush Minerals. We're gonna pop this into the crease using windshield wiper motions, building up to the intensity that we prefer. The second color of choice is going to be Mahogany Amore from, again, Star Crush Minerals. We're going to place that on the outer V of our lids using the same brush, using patting motions and blending that up into the red shade color. Again, building up the intensity to what we prefer. To add a little bit more depth and dimension, I'm going to take the black from the Huda Beauty Smoky Obsessions eyeshadow palette and layer that on top of the mahogany color into the red, again going back and forth, blending it until I am satisfied. I cut my lid, and then I'm going to be taking Inglot's number 22 pigment and patting that on my lid. Once I'm done placing that on my lid, I take Mahogany Amore again, and I basically overlap that where I cut my crease so that there's a seamless blend. Then in this clip I show you guys doing my liquid liner. This is how I do my liner. I take my time. It is sped up in this clip, but I do take my time. This is the NYC black liquid liner. I swear by this eyeliner. It is the best matte liquid liner I have ever used. It's super dark and it lasts all day. So I do small strokes building up till the end of my lid, and then I flick out, and I just go back and forth between the eyes to make sure that they're leveled out. And that's how I basically do my liquid liner. I don't usually show it on cam, but that's usually what I always do. I do my lashes off camera. For my lips, I'm going to be taking Cork Lip Pencil by MAC, then layering that with Cold Hard Cash matte lipstick, and then taking Fenty Beauty's Space Suits lip gloss to top it all off. This is the quick finished tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, loves.
Yes, that's the part you always show. You're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow, mysterious. That's the part you always show. You're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow.